Hi, welcome to Bank It, a glide template that allows parents to reward their children for a job well done. This template has four main views. The home screen, where you can see your children, dive into the details, see their current balance that they've been awarded, see their recent activity, and add and remove funds. This list also serves as a leaderboard for the child that has earned the most money. As a parent, you can add or remove funds to their balances. You can select one child at a time, or select all of them at once. Let's give each of our kids $2 for being a great kid. In addition to their balances, they also have a job board. You can add new jobs by coming to the Jobs section of the admin screen. You can make these jobs available or unavailable, and edit the details. As a parent, you can quickly see which jobs are unavailable, available, or pending, meaning one of your children has completed this job. Let's go ahead and approve it for $1. Approving it marks this unavailable as it was recently done, but you can make it available again right away if you'd like. And now Sarah has $1 more. The third tab shows all activity from all kids. Children can see all activity or just their own activity. The last tab is a Family Rewards tab. As a parent, you can create new rewards by going to the Add Rewards tab. This template is set up to offer a 50% parent match to anything a child contributes. For example, this Lego store outing is a $20 reward. We see that Samuel has already contributed $5. The parent match was 50% at $2.50, meaning the amount remaining is $12.50. Let's switch to the child view. As a child, my home screen is my details. Here I can spend money or set a goal. Perhaps there's a book that I'd like to buy, and I know that the book costs $5. I want this book by next week. Submitting my goal shows in my recent goals section. It alerts me as to how much I've earned towards my goal, the percentage completed, and how many days I have left. When my goal's been met, I can mark this as complete. Children can also see the leaderboard, but they can't view another child's details. As a child, I can go in and complete a job, I can see all the activity, or just my activity, and I can contribute more towards one of the rewards. If you have any questions on how to use this template, or need help with configuration, feel free to email me at robert.petito@woodward.edu. And as always, thanks for watching.